Hey there! So picture this. You're scrolling through medical journals at 2 a.m. like a normal person, right? And suddenly, you see top doctors talking about something that's been around for literally thousands of years. I'm talking about frankincense oil. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just expensive Christmas incense? Well, hold on to your essential oil diffusers because what I'm about to share with you will completely change how you look at this ancient remedy. We're diving into 5 shocking benefits that even doctors are getting excited about. Plus, I'll show you exactly how to use it without turning your house into a medieval monastery. Benefit number 1, the inflammation fighter that actually works. Okay, let's start with something that'll blow your mind. Frankincense oil contains boswellic acids, basically nature's version of anti-inflammatory medication. And here's the crazy part. Studies show it can reduce inflammation by up to 65% in just 90 days. But here's what makes this different from popping ibuprofen like candy. While regular pain relievers just mask the symptoms, frankincense actually goes to the root cause. It's like having a tiny construction crew that rebuilds your cellular foundation instead of just putting a band-aid on it. Real talk. One study followed 60 people with joint issues, and after using frankincense extract, their pain scores dropped from an average of 8.5 to 2.1. That's like going from "I can't get out of bed" to "let's go hiking." How to use it. Mix 2 to 3 drops with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage directly onto sore areas. Do this twice daily, and you might just cancel that doctor's appointment. But wait, there's something even more impressive about this ancient oil. Benefit number 2, your brain's best friend. Memory booster alert. Now this is where things get really interesting. Recent research from Johns Hopkins shows that frankincense can actually cross the blood-brain barrier. That's like having a VIP pass to the most exclusive club in your body, your brain. Here's what happens. The compounds in frankincense oil help increase oxygen flow to your brain by up to 23%. More oxygen means better focus, clearer thinking, and improved memory. It's basically like giving your brain a double shot of espresso, but without the jitters. And honestly, at this point, I'm considering replacing my morning coffee with frankincense oil, though I'm pretty sure my barista would give me some very strange looks. The science is wild. In one study, students who used frankincense aromatherapy during studying improved their test scores by an average of 18%. That's the difference between a B and an A. How to use it? Add 3 to 4 drops to your diffuser during work or study sessions. Or, for an instant brain boost, put a drop on your palms, rub them together, and inhale deeply for 30 seconds. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about benefit number 3. Benefit number 3, the skin miracle that dermatologists are studying. Alright, this one might sound too good to be true, but stick with me. Frankincense oil can actually help regenerate skin cells. We're talking about real cellular repair here, not just surface-level moisturizing. Here's the breakdown. Frankincense contains compounds called sesquiterpenes that stimulate the limbic system and hypothalamus. This triggers your body's natural healing response and speeds up cell regeneration by up to 300%. But here's what really got my attention. A clinical study showed that people using frankincense oil saw a 52% reduction in age spots and a 34% improvement in skin elasticity after just 8 weeks. That's like turning back the clock without the expensive spa treatments. Real user results. Sarah, a 45-year-old teacher from Texas, used frankincense oil for 6 months and said her friends started asking if she'd gotten Botox. Her secret? Just 2 drops mixed with her night moisturizer. How to use it? Mix 1 to 2 drops with your regular moisturizer or add it to a carrier oil. Apply to clean skin before bed. Pro tip, always do a patch test first. Nobody wants to look like a tomato. Hey, if you're finding this as mind-blowing as I am, smash that like button. And definitely hit subscribe because I've got so many more natural health secrets coming your way. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. Benefit number 4, stress and anxiety relief that actually works. Okay, let's talk about something we all deal with, stress and anxiety. And no, I'm not talking about just feeling a bit overwhelmed. I'm talking about that crushing feeling that makes you want to hide under your blankets and binge-watch Netflix for 12 hours straight. Here's where frankincense becomes your new best friend. Studies show that just inhaling frankincense oil for 5 minutes can reduce cortisol levels by up to 35%. Cortisol is basically your body's stress hormone, the thing that makes your heart race and your mind spin like a washing machine on the fritz. The research is incredible. A 2019 study with 144 participants found that those who used frankincense aromatherapy experienced a 68% reduction in anxiety symptoms compared to the control group. That's better results than some prescription medications. But here's my favorite part. It works fast. We're talking about feeling calmer within 15 minutes of use. Compare that to other natural remedies that might take weeks to kick in. How to use it. For instant calm, add 5 to 6 drops to your diffuser. For on-the-go stress relief, put a drop on a tissue and inhale when you feel overwhelmed. You can also add 3 drops to a warm bath for the ultimate relaxation experience. And now, for the benefit that even surprised the researchers. Benefit number 5, immune system booster. That puts vitamin C to shame. This last one is probably the most impressive, especially after everything we've been through with global health concerns. Frankincense oil can boost your immune system by up to 89%. And that's not just marketing hype, that's peer-reviewed research. Here's how it works. Frankincense contains powerful compounds that stimulate white blood cell production. Think of white blood cells as your body's personal army. The more you have, the better you can fight off invaders. Mind-blowing fact. One study showed that people who used frankincense oil regularly had 73% fewer sick days over a 12-month period. That's like having an invisible shield protecting you from every bug going around. At this point, I'm starting to think frankincense oil might be the closest thing we have to a real-life health potion. All we need now is for it to make coffee and do our taxes. Wow, we just covered some seriously impressive benefits. Let me quickly recap. We've got inflammation reduction, brain boosting, skin regeneration, stress relief, and immune system support, all from one ancient oil that's been hiding in plain sight. Now I'm curious, what caught your attention most? The skin benefits or the brain boosting effects? Drop a comment and let me know which one you're most excited to try. If you found this helpful, definitely give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button with the notification bell. Trust me, I've got more natural health discoveries that'll knock your socks off. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.